his glove on.
I like to keep my hand for him.
Kyle's up
See if
there.
Bradley could give me a little bit of a read here.
Try and give him a read on this birdie. Looking like it's going to be pretty straight. Might fall right to left at the end, right? Yeah. You got to get it up there. Should be okay. Birdie! What? Yes! Hey, we got the shot! That's our guy. What? Alright, this par should be simple. You can pull that.
Well, that'll about do it for today's round, folks.
Yeah.
Just grabbed 2 strokes on the kid.
Yeah, I think.
Pretty sure he's not happy about that one.
Oh, Kyle's fucking me up with
I had
that
to make
birdie.
at least 1 putt today, though, you know?
Yeah, good job.